Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to make typewriter effect in Camtasia. First open Camtasia and go to Annotations. Then select a callout and then write your text. Now click on the behaviors and select fly effect. Then drag it to the text. Now go to the right side corner section. Here you can see the behaviors adjustments. Now here we have to do some corrections to make typewriting animation. First click on during and make the style none. Then click on out and select the style none. Then click on in and from here click on type and from this drop down select first to last option. Then change the movement to smooth. After that change the speed to 100%. Also make the offset to 2 seconds. Let's play now. To keep visible the text at last, go to the timeline, duplicate the text layer and place beside it. Then remove the behavior from the second one. Let's play now. And here is our typewriter effect behavior. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.